This is also a retired Coast Guard boat that the National Marine Fisheries have retrofitted. They do all their research off this kind of vessel. NOAA, National Ocean Atmospheric Administration. So there we go. They're all set up to drag nets and make sure that the fish are doing all right. Thank you so much for being in our parade, you guys. All right. Here we go with a string of sailboats. What do we got here? Who's first? Okay. All right. The lead boat here is an Erickson 32, the Flying Clouds. This boat is full of Sea Scouts. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon out there. Okay, Benny, do you have your float coat on there, Benny? I can't tell. Okay. The Shearwater, Cal 29. This boat has had a lot of work last winter and this spring. This boat's been up and down the coast a couple times this year. So Kurt, say well. This is a Gulf 32 pilot house. I think this is a knock your socks off gorgeous boat. I love it. It's got prayer flags, Tibetan prayer flags. There's prayers in those flags, and when they shred into the wind, they carry flags out into the prayers out into the world. A Gulf 32 gorgeous, of course. Another absolutely gorgeous boat. This is a 20 what? 7? I think it's a 27. It's a catch rig. The big mast is in front, the little mast is in the back. What they don't know is they put up those signal flags, and what they've done is they've ordered a pepperoni pizza with those signal flags.
Well, you're accepted before they get it.
Right. So, but it's had a lot of work just recently to kind of get it renovated. It's a gorgeous little boat. I just love it. Okay, the Minya. 22 foot pocket cruiser. All right. So, a tough little boat ready to go wherever it needs to go. Gorgeous little boat.
Beautiful.
But whatever it is, it's mahogany and it's wood and it is just spectacular. A wooden boat.
Yeah. Right.